Welcome everyone to our first ever video podcast. I'm really pleased to be announcing today the fourth major upgrade to our software, Evolution version 4.0. This is the fourth major release of the software that we've done. There have been interim releases over the last 2.5 years, but this is the fourth major release. And as you guys can see from the release notes, we're bringing a huge amount of new capabilities and improvements to the software. When we sat down and discussed with the technical team what the objectives should be for this release, we agreed on two things. The first thing that the release had to achieve was the capability for dealers to generate more from their existing customers. And I think with just brilliant new functionality like the customer sniffing tool and the product tracker, we've really achieved that. Now let me just take each one of those separately. Customer sniffing, like it says on the literature, it's as close as you can get to bugging your customer's office. This records every keystroke, it records every click, it records every activity that customer does on the front end of the store, and it's a great screen for you to go and analyze before you make that next sales call to that customer. Just brilliant. The second thing that we've added is the product tracker tool. Now, the product tracker tool allows you to set a minimum value above which products will be tracked, individual items will be tracked. Now, when customers click on items above that value and then carry on through the checkout process, that item is highlighted in green as having been successfully purchased. However, if that customer views the item but then doesn't buy it, it flags that within the product tracker, and you have the ability to click a dialog box and effectively contact that customer and offer them an incentive to go ahead and purchase that product. So again, it's getting really proactive with the existing traffic that you have. The second part of the release was to generate additional sales opportunities. Now we think this is super important. There's nothing more important we could be doing as your software vendor than dreaming up new capabilities and tools that's going to help you build more money, because we need a healthy, profitable, vibrant dealer community, or we don't have a business. So we are totally focused on developing these sorts of tools that help you guys generate additional income. And covered on that side is things like banner management, the charity manager, the affiliate manager, which is going to help you go and sign up an army of commission-based sales agents or affiliates, and a whole bunch of new stuff that's in the release notes that you can see that really is designed to generate brand new business. Now there is one item within the release notes that I'd like to speak to you about particularly, which is the new design templates. So this is a very important change for us. We are moving away from effectively doing a bespoke design per customer, and we're moving to a strict sort of template based system. Now I want you to understand that there are certain things within this release of the software that you won't be able to get within your existing Evolution store until you do one of two things. You either need to move on to the new template system. Alternatively, you need to have your existing web store design retrofitted to access these new functionalities. And I want to be very clear about what each one of those means. So for example, the new design templates. Within the template manager system, which we've developed, you would be able to access the 3 templates that we have created. You're able to change logo, color scheme, manage banners, special offers and top sellers. And over the coming weeks and months we'll be developing the ability to apply seasonal themes to those templates. So let me just go ahead and show you some of the templates that we've had developed. If I click on template 1 again, you can manage logo. The template comes in up to 10 different colors, and you can manage the banners, special offers and the top sellers within the template. You can move between templates at the click of a button. So in August, if you wanted template 1, but in September or October you wanted to move to template 3, that's all within your capability, and moving between templates is done at the click of a button. If you want to update the banners on a template, you can either use the banners that we provide, or you can create your own banner content and you can upload that content to the template. So that's how the template management system, and like I said, all of the functions within the release notes that we've supplied are supported within the new template. If you want to have your store retrofitted, again I'll explain in detail what that means, then we have to go back and spend development time modifying your existing Evolution store to provide access and the code changes to access these new pieces of functionality, which are banner management, live search with autocomplete, charity manager, and affiliate manager. So let me just show you how that works. If we take one of our customer sites. We would need to go back to the over 200 Evolution sites, and we need to add in the controls within this template, which is unique to this store, to alter these banners, the banners down the right hand side, add new access and links to affiliates, add new access and links to the charity manager, introduce new code into the search function to handle the autocomplete requests. So when we say retrofit, that's what we mean. We have to spend development time going back to your store and altering the code and the design to cope with these new functions. Alternatively, option 3 is you don't do anything and you get everything else in the release except the 4 items mentioned: banner management, live search, charity manager, and affiliate manager. So I hope that's clear for you guys. If you want to go ahead and move on to the new template system, then if you can just click on the link within the release notes, that will take you to a form, and if you just register your details, we will contact you to discuss that. Alternatively, if you would like your store retrofitted, then again click on the relevant link and go through to that form, and we will contact you. Retrofits will be done on a first come first served basis. And alternatively, if you don't want to do anything, that's fine, but again, if you just click on that form and let us know that you don't wish your store to be either moved to the new template system or retrofitted. So I hope that makes everything clear, guys. I hope you love the new release. There's been so much work gone into that, and we'll be doing more of these video podcasts to communicate the things and the projects and the issues that we're working on at Evolution HQ, and we'll be releasing more of these in the coming weeks and months. So good luck with that, and we'll speak to you soon.